So today we will discuss the next type of ion selective electrode. It is the enzyme based electrode. In this enzyme based electrode, the enzyme is used to convert the substance that we determine into ions, and these ions is determined by ion selective electrode. Suppose for example we will determine the urea. Urea is determined by using urease enzyme. The urease enzyme, the urea is converted into NH4 ammonia ions, and when we use the ion selective electrode, that is the ammonia ion selective electrode, we will determine the concentration of urea. In this enzyme based electrode, this is the enzyme based electrode. In this enzyme based electrode, here is the enzyme coating on the ions selective electrode. In urea we use ammonia ion selective electrode. So for determination of urea we use, this is the enzyme coating, urease enzyme coating on the ion selective electrode, that is the ammonia ion selective electrode. So the enzyme is incorporated or mixed with polyacrylamide gels. This is the polyacrylamide gel layer of enzymes. So we will coat the layer of enzyme polyacrylamide gels with enzymes on the bulbs of ion selective electrode by using thin cellophane film. Here this is the bulbs of ion selective electrode, and here we use the enzymes. That is the, for determination of urea we use urease enzymes. So enzyme is incorporated with polyacrylamide gel. The gel coat on the bulbs of ion selective electrode is held by netting thin cellophane film. The enzyme is used to convert the substrate into ionic product, and ions can be measured by ion selective electrode. So for example, determination of urea, use the enzyme urease, which converts urea into ammonia by hydrolysis, and ammonia ions can be detected by ion selective electrode. And when the resultant potential is recorded, is directly proportional to concentration of urea in the sample solutions. When we put this electrode in the urea solutions, there is a generation of ammonia ions, and the generation of ammonia ions, so ammonia ions can be generated here, and the ammonia ions is generated by some electrical potential, and for measurement of electrical potential with the internal reference electrode and internal reference solution, and the resultant potential is recorded. This potential is recorded is directly proportional to the urea concentration in the solution. Same we use for penicillin, for the determination of penicillin. For determination of penicillin we use the penicillase enzymes. So here we coat the penicillase enzymes. This penicillase enzyme is decompose penicillin. When we dip this electrode in the solution contain penicillin, the enzymes penicillase, here we put the penicillase. The penicillase is decompose penicillin into hydronium ions. So by using the pH electrode, when we determine penicillin, we use here the pH electrode for determination of hydronium ions. When the penicillinase enzymes is decompose penicillin into hydronium ion, and when we put the pH electrode here, the concentration of hydronium ion is directly proportional to the concentration of penicillin present in the solution. So various enzymes is useful for determination of the various substances. So this is all about the enzyme based electrode.